Today, on the front page, in the quest of creating a healthier snack food, Frito-Lay North America has ventured into altering their production methods by filing for 2 standout patents. This is a positive step forward to rebound from the Olestra controversy that has tarnished their company name. In December 2012, Frito-Lay filed for an international patent for their manufacturing system designed to reduce the oil content to less than 18% in weight of both the traditional and kettle chips. The Frito-Lay spokesperson explained that the patent covered a 3-part process. For the pre-treatment, it involved the hot potato method, which was submerging potatoes in hot water, gelatinizing the starch, and altering the pectin structure. With the fryer treatment, it involved a steep, faster temperature drop, exposing the chips in cooler oil temperatures for 3 to 8 minutes, a slightly longer duration than the traditional practice. As for the post-treatment, Frito-Lay used superheated steam to help further reduce the oil content, and it doesn't have the drawbacks of residual and saturated steam. In January 2014, the company patented a de-oiling process, described as low-pressure processing, ideal in manufacturing reduced oil products. According to Frito-Lay, the main component of the low-pressure frying and de-oiling is to incorporate differential pressures throughout the manufacturing steps. For the patented process, potato slices are fried within atmospheric pressure. De-oiling occurs after the chips are done frying, as they are added into a vacuum centrifuge, set at a lower pressure. The spokesperson mentioned food pieces that had previously been fried at atmospheric pressure and subjected to lower pressure centrifugation exhibited surprisingly reduced oil content compared to just atmospheric centrifugation. This phenomenon can be explained through vacuum action, drawing out oil from the cavities of each slice onto the surface to be whipped away.
So, are potato chips safe to eat? Well, first, let's look at the nutritional aspects of it. Fats contribute 9 kilocalories per gram, whereas compared to proteins and carbohydrates, they only contribute 4 calories per gram. Regular consumption of potato chips can also imbalance your omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acid ratio. Omega-3 fatty acids are important because they can be converted to longer chains of EPA and DHA, which protect us from disease. Since omega-6 competes with omega-3 for the same enzyme, this means that an overconsumption of omega-6 will weaken our immune system. Most commercial potato chips today are fried in vegetable oil, and they can withstand the heat of deep frying temperatures. When oil begins to smoke, they become rancid, and consuming them may cause diseases. So now we come back to the question, are potato chips safe to eat? Potato chips should be eaten in moderation.
We're looking at potato chips and its influence in different societies and cultures. According to the American Society for Nutrition, high amounts of potato chips provide high levels of acrylamide, and these acrylamides have adverse effects in oxidizing LDL, aka bad cholesterol, increasing inflammatory markers, and eliminating antioxidants that actually help body get rid of acrylamide. So really, why is potato chips so addictive in society in general? Possible reasons may be because potato chips reveal a naturally higher level of fats and carbohydrate content. Research goes on to say when test rats were presented with potato chips and rat chow with similar nutrient content, the rats preferred the potato chips. Only speculation though. The chips have some other substance in it that heighten the brain functions. The different flavors of potato chips. These flavors follow traditional foods of the countries, which in turn caters to preference of the society of people in that country. The USA, classic flavor. Next we have Mexico, Bodobas, some mixture of chilies. Next we have Spain. It is Gambas El Gillo. And we have arrived in China. It's a ramen spicy hot pot. And finally we have Mother Russia. It is red caviar. Wow.
The ingredients and functions of potato chips. Frito-Lay's claims that they use 3 simple ingredients in their products: potatoes, sunflower, corn, and canola oil and salt. The potato is the vegetable that the snack is made out of, and the oil is used to fry the potatoes, and the salt is used to add flavor. Different flavored potato chips include more ingredients for their flavor. For example, the barbecue flavored chips use sugar, dextrose, salt, malted barley flour, Cholula yeast, molasses, maltodextrin, natural flavors, spices. Though Frito-Lay claims that their products are additive-free, the only additive-free potato chips are the salt-flavored ones. They mention on their website that other flavored potato chips may include food additives.
So today I will talk to you about the science behind the packaging of potato chips. There are 2 main types of packaging. The first is the plastic bag with a foil interior lining, and the second is the tubular paperboard cans with foil-lined interior. Potato chip packaging has four main goals: to keep out oxygen from moisture, light, and to prevent the breakage of the potato chips. What really is so bad about oxygen? Well, oxygen is very reactive. It combines with other molecules very easily. Oxygen is very reactive because of its two unpaired electrons in the outer shell. So the reactivity of oxygen causes chemical changes in the food, resulting in lipid oxidation. Lipid oxidation is what causes the oils to go rancid, causes discoloration to occur, which results in the spoilage of the food. The package needs to reduce the chip's interactions with oxygen, done by deoxygenating the bag through nitrogen flushing. Nitrogen is more stable and less reactive than oxygen because it has three unpaired electrons. Water activity levels affect the rate of lipid oxidation, lowest around the activity level of 0.4. Potato chip packages are opaque. Light causes photodegradation in the food. Light is a form of radiant energy. Therefore, prolonged exposure to light sources causes the potato chips to undergo chemical reactions. The nitrogen-filled bags protects the chips by providing extra cushion.
Thanks for watching. Happy eating!